the secrets of global warming. As global warming raises the Earth's temperature, melting the permafrost faster than ever, and was driven by a perfect storm of exceptional events on a planetary scale.
For millions of years, Antarctica had been drifting southwards to its current position, sending the southern hemisphere into a deep freeze. And South America was charging northwards. It crashed into North America, and this altered the ocean currents and gave birth to the Gulf Stream. And the knock-on effect of that was increased precipitation in the northern hemisphere, which in lower latitudes fell as rain, and in the north as snow. While these tectonic events were changing the face of the Earth and propelling it into an ice age, there were also changes occurring on a celestial scale, producing dramatic fluctuations in the Earth's climate.
The Earth's distance from the Sun changes over time. Every 100,000 years, the Earth is at its furthest position from the Sun's warmth, and our planet enters a cold phase.
Then there's also variation in the tilt of the Earth on its axis, and that happens over a cycle lasting 41,000 years and affects the degree of difference in the seasons. Finally, the Earth also wobbles on its axis on a cycle lasting about 23,000 years.
When all those planetary factors coincide, winter takes over, with ice sheets covering 40% of the northern hemisphere. To glimpse the extreme conditions that mammoths faced, I'm visiting a remnant of one of those immense ice sheets.
This wall of ice marks a point 2/3 of the way up the Athabasca Glacier, which is about 4 miles in length and feeds off the huge Columbia ice field in western Canada. But even that would have been dwarfed by the huge ice sheets of the Pleistocene. In places, the ice would reach up to 13,000 feet thick.
These glaciers are really beautiful, really craggy. You look down into the crevasses and they're deep blue inside. They're rivers of ice. It's incredible to think that most of that would have been under ice, with just perhaps the peaks of the highest mountains popping out above the ice sheet. This is amazing! Wow! Oh!
The ice sheets locked in so much water that they created cloudless blue skies. At latitudes below the ice, this provided perfect growing conditions for shrubs and grasses, creating a vast grassland.